Friend, good morning to all of you. In previous lecture, we were discuss about the first chapter is our environment. Okay, and the chapter of environment, there are two topics in previous videos. There are two topics are covered. First topic is our environment, and the second topic is sparrow and roadside stone. Okay, in this lecture we will discuss about the third topic, that is we see differences between the sparrow and the stone. Okay, why do we see? Why do we see? Okay, थर्ड है why do we see differences between the sparrow and the stone. Our environment, the all the object and all the material which make the environment. Okay, and sparrow and roadside stone is also discussed in previous video. In this lecture we will discuss about the why do we see differences between the sparrow and the stone. First of all, the sparrow is a living things and stone is the non-living thing. There are the two things in this topic. First one is sparrow, second one is stone. Okay, the sparrow is the living things and stone is non-living things. First of all, what do you mean by living things and non-living things? The living things means the things that can move, eat and making food and giving food, taking food and movement of the things. This is called as living things. And non-living things means the things that cannot move, that they cannot eat and they cannot making the food. This is called as non-living thing. So there are various things which is present in the environment. So the things in our surrounding, first of all, the things in our surrounding are divided into two categories. Okay, first one is the things in our surrounding. The things in our surrounding is divided into two types: living things and the second one is non-living things. First one is living things. What do you mean by living things and what do you mean by non-living thing? The example of living thing is sparrow and the example of non-living thing is stone. Okay, first one is animal have babies. All the living things and non-living things. The living things which is categorized into the living things, first one is living things. The living things is also categorized into two types: plants and animals. All the plants and animals are living things. Why all the plants and animals are living things? Because the animals and plants are making the food and movement of the body, okay, and giving different substances and different foods, okay. So the living things are of two kinds, plants and animal. First one is animals. The animals have babies, okay, have babies, and plant also seed. Plant is also seedling grow, है ना, from seed, okay. Animals have babies and seedling grow from the seed, okay. And the seedling, okay, this is the seedling, and the seedling grow from the seed, and the seed change into the plant, okay. So plant is the living things, okay. And the plant also provide different materials for using the animals, है ना, and for using other living things, okay. So these are the plant, and seedling grow from seed and seed into the plant. Seed grow and change into the plant and make the, and seed making and made the plant, and plant is moved too, and but these moving do not see easily. Why do not see easily? Because the bud bloom into the flower, है ना, the bud, plants move too, but cannot easily see. Why? Because buds bloom into flowers, okay. And animals have also changed one place to another place, okay. Animals have changed, and animals have movement from one place to another place, but same as it is animal, the plant does not move from one place to another place, but buds bloom into the flower. Why the plant does not move from one place to another place? Because the root of the plant hold the whole part of the plant, okay, and the plant position is fixed with the help of root. Why? Because the root is hold down the whole plants, okay. And the animals is also move from one place to another place. So this is these things in our surrounding. First one is living things and non-living things. Living things are also categorized into two type, plants and animals, okay. So living things means the things that can move, that can make food, that can eat food, okay. And non-living things that cannot move, that cannot making food, okay, and that cannot eating, okay. Thank you. In next videos we will discuss about the next topic in this chapter, okay. Thank you. Have a nice